Welcome to Hunter's Hall in Swanton, Morley, near Dereham, Norfolk. We're staying tonight in the milking parlour room. This is an old farm and barns. So as we walk through the front door, we have a table on the right hand side with tea and coffee making facilities. Shut the door. With a exposed wall, large mirror. Come round and we go straight into the bathroom. Now the bathroom has a full-size bath, a toilet and a shower above with a lovely skylight in the window, in the roof. It's a lovely old Cole and Lewis soaps, I guess. Hand wash and hair and body wash with a sink and a mirror. Lovely towels. Come out and we come into the main room again, and we've got huge bed. Rachel's fast asleep. She's been working a lot of hours, so she's fast asleep. Above the bed we've got exposed wall again, and then above that we have a picture of a cow and some old farm implements. Come round, the chandelier on the roof. Come round, I've got exposed beam, a very small TV on the wall, a little chair. We've got a wardrobe with some, at the side of it we've got some drawers, and then we have here bunk beds. Obviously a room for four, a little table at the side of that. Come around again, and we at the side of the bed, each side there's a little table. As I say, the bed is huge. We come out and we look out the window and we look into the courtyard. Just one, it's mainly very clean. However, we've just noticed in the top corner there a bit of a spider's web. But overall, very nice room.